Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting in the BIOS on a Gigabyte board. Go straight to the BIOS info and confirm model and firmware so you know compatibility. Once done, back up your system image and create Windows recovery media so you can restore if needed. Make a FAT32 USB installer for any key files and keep a second USB with drivers. You need admin rights and a stable power source. This prevents corruption and explains why these prerequisites matter before enabling secure boot. You now change boot mode to UEFI and disable CSM. This is essential because secure boot enforces UEFI signatures and won't work with legacy boot. Once CSM is off, go to secure boot and choose to clear or install factory keys. Installing factory keys enables validation of signed bootloaders. Make sure OS type matches Windows UEFI if running Windows. Otherwise, pick other OS and understand you may lose driver compatibility. Save changes and reboot to test the configuration. You finish by saving BIOS settings and rebooting. Check the secure boot status in BIOS or Windows system information to confirm it's enabled. If the system won't boot, use your recovery USB and re-enable CSM temporarily to restore access. Then address unsigned drivers or incompatible boot managers. Make sure to update BIOS and chipset drivers and reinstall signed bootloaders. One key tip: if secure boot blocks a driver, disable it, boot. Remove the unsigned driver, then re-enable secure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.